Page 15, F, G, A, B, groups. Oh, another group. Well, we already had the C, D, E. Now they're just adding the others. Because once you have these, you got them all in theory. Although I've already told you know what A is and you know what B is. Here we're getting the rest of them. So hopefully by now you know C, D, and E instantly. You just know them. You don't need a sticker to tell you which key is which. It's important that you get this. Don't rush through this. You're not going to learn it quicker. You're just going to fail quicker. So take your time on this and review. Go over it. C, D, and E. C, D, and E. And make sure you know what these names of these notes are instantly. These keys are. Now we got the others around a group of 3 black keys. This goes up the alphabet. F, G, A, B. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Or we go here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Doesn't matter where you start. The point is, you need to know what these 4 notes are. So an F is at the bottom of a group of 3. F, wherever. G is the lower middle of a group of 3. It's right under an A. And A, hopefully you already know, is the upper middle of a group of 3. And then B is the up above a group of 3. I'll leave it to you to find some way of knowing what these keys are on the piano. It's in relation to the black keys. It takes a little time. If you just keep going over a little bit each day, you'll get there. So we're going to be using these keys, I guess, in this lesson. I reckon. Makes sense to me, anyway. Now, as far as which fingers you're going to use, it depends on the music and what's needed. Any finger can play any key at any time. But I think what they want us to do is use here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because a lot of them, you'll leave out the thumb, you do those. However, I think they want to do this. You leave out the little finger. Doesn't matter. I'll get into fingering as we go through the book, because fingering and how you finger is really important. But right now, we just do this. That's fine. And then in the middle of the page, they want you to ad-lib something using these notes somewhere on there. You use both hands or one hand. I don't care how you do it. You can play these in some order, in some rhythm. You make it up. Be creative. And I'm going to play this music in here, and you can do whatever. And you can play your part anywhere you want. The music written is here. So I suggest you stay away from here, because this is middle. You might come up here and play them up here somewhere. This is better here. Whatever. I don't care. Whatever. I will give us 4 counts. Now let's try this out. And you can try this over and over and experiment with different things and see what you think. I'm going to go 1, 2, ready, go. Now and then we go. 1, 2, ready, go. May sound a little weird, but remember after page 14, we can expect a little weird once in a while. It's okay. The ultimate judge of whether it's right or wrong, I don't know if I'm doing this right, is the ears. Do you like what you're hearing? If it's okay, then it's okay. There is no wrong here. It's just, what do you like? You can play just stay on these notes. Play them in any order, in any rhythm, whatever. Just as long as you like what you're hearing. And try different things out. Now there's one at the bottom of the page where we're going to use both hands. Where the left hand is going to be here, or here, or I don't know where it's at, it's here. I'm going to go here because the music is playing these notes, so let's go above it, up here. And then the right hand's going to play these 2 black keys. You're here. And again, it's the same thing, you just make it up. Play any of these notes at any time in any rhythm you want. There is no wrong answer. It's entirely up to experiment. And while you play those, I'm going to play this music at the bottom of the page. Let's see what happens. And again, I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. That's 4 counts. Now I'm going to play that just a little slower than the way it's. This is not fast, this part. You just take your time, let the sounds blend in or whatever. I'm going to do 8 measures or so and then add a measure at the end. So this will be about 9 measures long if you're wondering how long it lasts. You know, both of these ad-libs on this page are going to be about 9 measures long if you want. When do I stop? Well, count 9 measures and quit. Or quit when I do. It's close enough. 1, 2, ready, go.